Okay, now we will start to paint some leaves in the group with the freehand style. So the first style is painted like the leaves in a big blobs, so it's puffed. Okay, so what I'm using is the smaller white cloud from the Four Gentlemen. Or if you have anything like smaller size, I will recommend the soft one or a combined the brush hair. So painting this type of leaves, I will prefer to my brush slightly more water, so more moisture. And we start to load our brush. So first some brush light ink in the brush, and then I will dip my brush again to have some darker ones. So the basic stroke is like touching down and landing. And then we put them into groups. So touch down, and you see the time will do the job. Okay, you're welcome to join me and to try how the ink and the water makes the magic. And when the water is less in the brush, you naturally will slow down the movement. Okay, now I will bring them into a group to create a group of leaves with this technique. So first, I will create some together, so somewhere is dense. And then gradually I will move away somewhere is loose and have more space. So my brush is moving around. I don't stay on one place for the entire time. So I'm moving around. So you see now I'm creating a group. Somewhere is dense and somewhere has more spacing. And someone is darker and someone is lighter with a natural ink gradient. Okay, so that's the first step. And then we want to see, next time when we are adding, we want to create more diversity. But how? The very simple way is we add some more in the dense area, so make it denser. And then the loose area, we make it looser. We create a few away. Okay? And slowing down. My brush has very less water now. And the third step is to create the unevenness. So literally to balance. We don't want a universal, like a perfect triangle or a round shape. And if you look at nature, it's the same. So what I will do is, I will slightly dip my brush because it's a little bit dry. So I will find the even line at the edge. Can you see that? This is a straight line. So what I will do is I will break the evenness by adding some more to break the even line. And here is a very like edge, perfect edge. So I will add a few more to break that. So we find the even lines and we bring some more dynamic. And now I have a group of leaves. Okay, so the first step is to use the natural ink gradient to create darkness and lightness. So it's this part. And the second is to create this dense and loose. Some part is dense and some part is loose and far away. And the third is to break the straight line on the edges and to create this unevenness, to create diversity. Okay, let's try to follow the 3 steps and to create a group of leaves.